Well, it's the next day, and looks like we have a few boards. Some down there, that one right there, and another one underneath there. These other boards are newer ones, though. You can tell because they have more curved edges. So it looks like we have one board. The other one that I saw was not really that old. We'll keep it anyway because it's a long one. That one that was down here definitely was an old one, so we'll keep that one too. A lot of this other stuff's pretty new though. Layers, you know. Oh yeah, look at that.
Smart guy over here.
Work smart and hard. Oh, good on more. The part of the song, I keep thinking it's the Doctor Who thing. Do you watch Doctor Who? What?
I know the song you're talking about.
Yeah. I've watched a couple of shows.
Sorry. No, I was smitten.
What did you find? Bunch of junk?
Junk?
Trash?
I think it's like trash. Just some waste. Jars.
I think I might put it in the antique shop for 25 cents a piece. See what happens. Cat, just get out of here. Oh, no. That's weird how much that corroded. That was there for a long, long time. Here, mind if I try?
Yeah, you might want to get metal blade.
Yeah. It's one of the original sinks. You're just going to throw it away, so I'll take it. We can use the faucets. bit heavier than I thought. Move that one over there. Shit. That? The wall thing?
Stuff.
Oh, weird.
Backside was out.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, because they were.
I mean, I got all the pieces though, so that's fine.
There you go.
Comic does not have any
Hold on a second. Let me see if I can pull on it. Oh, come on.
You got the rake? Man, that thing's heavy. Stuck. And that is that. We got this room finished up, got the flooring all ripped up. Looks like we're moved on to this room. Actually, it doesn't look like we already have pretty much finished this room. I'm going to skip a day, and so this will probably all be done by the time we come back. You know what, I might come through and get some more of these tiles. I like those tiles. They're quite nice. Actually picked up a whole stack of them. Actually, I saved quite a bit of things. That was quite a endeavor right there. They used a lot of concrete on here, and it was a pain in the butt. Especially like the metal backed concrete. Using like the metal, this mesh stuff. Pain in the butt. And I'm starting to think that some of this wood that was right here was newer. At least for that shower. Because it doesn't seem to be old growth. The rings seem to be very thick. So that's unfortunate. I get to take home this old sink from 1903, I believe. This old light fixture. The old knobs that go with it, the valves, those are pretty darn cool. I've never seen valves like that before. I got a bunch of these tiles, and I got this. This is a soap holder. It broke, but I got most of the pieces, so someone might still buy it. But I figure it's nice to have a bunch of these. So 1930s, I think, tiles. Not sure though. I'm not sure how old this is. I think it's very new. But I saved it anyway. I figure it's better to save something than to just rip it out and throw it in the trash, because now I can look this up and I can throw it in the trash later. But this feels all metal, and usually stuff these days aren't made of all metal. And of course we got all this stuff too, so a good amount of things. Oh, and once we're done with that room, which was a pantry, so this bathroom slash pantry is going to be put together and become a small bedroom, well, small little hotel room, which I think is actually a nice size. This is actually really nice. It's bigger than my bedroom. It'd be kind of neat to have a small but tall bedroom like this, you know, before they remove that. I'm going to see if I can keep this, because this most likely, that most likely is old growth. Now, over here is the room that I think we'll be going to next. So maybe we can see in the next video. We have all this. Looks like it's a chimney here. Yeah, it's a chimney of some sort. They didn't clean it though. It's so weird. And I guess this is probably going to stay very similar to what it is. But I could be wrong. Oh, big tub. That's a big porcelain one. Looks like they are saving as many of those as they can, which I think is nice, because these are nice old tubs. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Gonna go outside and look through that wood and see what I want to keep. Alright, so I think a lot of this wood is not old growth, but I'm trying to decide if I should keep it home or bring it home anyway. So this stuff has rings that are like twice the thickness as the old growth stuff. Look how fine and detailed those rings are. And look at that. It's much different. But I am thinking about keeping some of this stuff to burn, because it'd be better to burn it in a fire than to put it in the landfill. Okay, so I've separated it into several grades. We have the lower grade stuff, which is like from the 1940s or 50s. It's still technically old growth lumber compared to modern wood, but it's still not as heavy. Like this thing. This is like a brick that we have. It's so dense. Then we have the nice stuff from 1903 or whatever. Well, some of it, like some of the longer sections, it's also mixed in. But I think it's all pretty good. Might as well keep it. Then we have this siding, Actually, they were used for shelves, but we can see about using that for something, maybe outside of a shed. I don't know. Well, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you very much for watching. See ya.